Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So if you've actually spent any time watching my channel, then you know that I absolutely love being a YouTube content creator and that I encourage everyone to actually try to be a YouTube content creator. But the one thing that I really don't talk about a lot is when you should actually quit YouTube. Because YouTube isn't something for everyone, and there's definitely times that it could definitely affect you in a negative way. So these are things that I've been thinking about for a while now, and so this is just going to be my honest thoughts about this. And so the first reason why you might want to quit YouTube is because you simply just do not enjoy it anymore. You know, you're not motivated to create, and this feeling is usually something that doesn't go away. Okay, so if you feel like, man, you just don't want to create anymore, and it happens over and over day after day, then that probably means you should actually quit YouTube. Another very important reason why you might want to quit YouTube is because it's affecting your health. You know, and if it's affecting your health mentally, emotionally, and physically, then you should definitely quit. There's no reason for you to actually, risk your health in order to do YouTube. It's just simply not worth it. Okay, so that's the second thing. And then another reason why you might want to quit YouTube is if you value your privacy, because there's more than 7 billion people in the world, and let's just be honest, not everybody's gonna like you, and not everybody's in a really good mental state. That's just the reality. And so this could lead to things like people being haters and trolls. That's something that you're definitely gonna face, but it could also lead to more serious things where they might try to find out where you are physically, or they might try to find out about your family. If those things scare you, then maybe you should just quit YouTube. Okay, that's just something that you're gonna have to face. And if you're not willing to do that, then definitely don't do YouTube. And then maybe the final thing that I could think of why you might want to quit YouTube is because of the reason why you're doing YouTube in the first place. So if you're doing YouTube because you want to basically make this your living, then YouTube is probably not going to be for you. Because if you want to make a living out of YouTube, just understand that it's going to take time. Okay, and it's going to be something that is very entrepreneurial in nature, and it's going to be extremely unpredictable. So if you're the type of person who's thinking you're going to be internet famous and make money out of YouTube in a very short amount of time, then you should quit YouTube before you even start, because this is not the place for that. Okay, you're better off just watching YouTube videos, enjoying it, and just doing other things to make money. And so those are my main thoughts, at least right now, of why you should quit YouTube, or why you shouldn't even start in the first place. If any of those things that I've mentioned to you in this video you can resonate with, or you feel strongly about it, then then YouTube's not for you. But for everybody else, I still highly recommend that you at least try to be a creator. And if you feel like any of those things start coming up, which they will, and you feel like it's not worth it, simply quit. That's all you have to do. But if you get to the point where you can deal with those things, and you actually enjoy what you do, and you enjoy being a creator, and you're even making a little bit of money, then you know what, you made the right decision. And so if you had any thoughts on this, whether you are a veteran creator or maybe you're thinking about becoming a YouTube content creator, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you wanted to see my playlist on my entire YouTube journey, from the good, the bad, and to everything that's going on at this point, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.